Hey there, fellow humans. Have you ever stopped to think about what an incredible machine your body is? It's like a bustling city with trillions of tiny citizens called cells. That's right, trillions. These cells are way too small to see without a microscope, but boy, do they get things done. They're like tiny factories, constantly working to keep you alive and kicking. Some cells are builders, creating new tissues. Some are messengers, zipping around with important information. And some are even part of a crack team of defenders, fighting off those pesky invaders we call germs. It's mind-boggling how all these cells, each with its own job, work together so seamlessly. It's like a perfectly choreographed dance, and you're the star of the show. So next time you take a breath, eat a snack, or even scratch your head, remember the trillions of tiny tenants working tirelessly behind the scenes to make it all happen. It's a miracle of nature, and it's happening inside you right now. Now, let's talk about some of the VIPs in your body's bustling city, your heart, lungs, and stomach. These organs are like the delivery superstars, making sure everything gets where it needs to go. First up, we have the heart, the tireless pumper. This muscular organ is responsible for circulating blood throughout your body, delivering oxygen and nutrients to every single cell. It's like a super-efficient mail carrier, ensuring every citizen gets their daily dose of essentials. Next, we have the lungs, the oxygen enthusiasts. These balloon-like organs take in air and extract oxygen, which is then whisked away by the heart's delivery service. They also get rid of carbon dioxide, a waste product of cellular activity. Think of them as the city's recycling center and fresh air providers. And let's not forget the stomach, the master chef. This organ breaks down the food you eat into smaller, more manageable pieces that your body can use for energy and building materials. It's like a bustling kitchen, transforming raw ingredients into fuel for your cellular citizens. These are just a few of the amazing organs that work tirelessly to keep your body running smoothly. They're the unsung heroes of your internal world, and we owe them a big round of applause. Have you ever wondered where your body gets all its energy? I mean, you're constantly on the move, even when you're sleeping. Well, the answer lies within those tiny, mighty powerhouses called mitochondria. Mitochondria are like miniature factories inside your cells, and their specialty is producing a special molecule called ATP, which stands for adenosine triphosphate. Don't let the long name scare you. Just think of ATP as the energy currency of your cells. So how do these energy factories work their magic? They take in nutrients from the food you eat and combine them with oxygen from the air you breathe. This process, called cellular respiration, is like a controlled burn that releases energy, which is then used to create ATP. It's like burning fuel to power a car, except way more efficient and much less smelly. So next time you're feeling energized and ready to take on the world, give a silent thank you to your mitochondria, the tireless energy factories that keep you going and going. Now, let's dive into the fascinating world of genetics. Inside almost every cell in your body is a special molecule called DNA, which stands for deoxyribonucleic acid. Don't worry, you don't have to pronounce it. Just think of DNA as your body's instruction manual, a blueprint that determines everything from your hair color to your height. DNA is like a long, twisted ladder, and the rungs of this ladder are made up of pairs of chemicals called bases. There are 4 different bases: adenine, A, thymine, T, guanine, G, and cytosine, C. These bases pair up in a specific way. A always pairs with T, and C always pairs with G. The order of these base pairs is what makes you, well, you. It's like a secret code that determines your unique traits. And the coolest part, your DNA is passed down from your parents, which is why you might have your mom's eyes or your dad's smile. It's like inheriting a family recipe, except instead of a delicious cake, you get a one-of-a-kind combination of genes.